Here I am outside of the liquor store, and Shireen's going to come out and I'm going to show you her new car that she bought. Here she comes. I want you to show the new car.
Here's the new car, Danica.
Ta-da! Isn't that pretty? That's the back. See? Automatic. Now let's go to the side. There's the side. Oh, is this not a pretty car? Wow. Now we'll go to the front. Say hi, wave. Wow, isn't this neat? And here's the front. New car.